Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs in Flux. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. October 20th, we observe World Statistics Day, and this day is celebrated around the globe every year on 20th of October to highlight the achievements of the fundamental principles of official statistics. And this day is celebrated in collaborative endeavor organized under the guidance of United Nations Statistical Commission. Whereas uh, in the last year in the year 2020, the theme for the World Statistics Day was connecting the world with data and we can trust. And this day was first observed on 28th of October on 2010 by the United Nations Statistical Communication Commissions. And this day is celebrated for every 5 years. That is, in the first day it is observed in 2010, and it is second it is observed in 2015, and third it is observed in 2020. Next one, October 20th, we also observe International Chefs Day, and theme for the International Chefs Day 2021 is healthy food for the future. And this day aims to celebrate and honor the noble profession and educate people around the world about eating healthy. And this day is also for experienced chefs to pass on their knowledge and skills to the next generation with a sense of pride and commitment. And next one, October 20th, we also observe World Osteoporosis Day. And theme for the World Osteoporosis Day 2021 is serve up bone strength. And every year, and this day is observed on 20th of October to raise global awareness of the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of the osteoporosis and metabolic bone diseases. Where osteoporosis, which is a disease which causes bones to become weak and fragile, so that they break easily even as a result of a minor fall or a bump or a sudden movement also. And it affects and this disease will is affecting 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men over the age of 50. Next one, Sahadev Yadav becomes new president of IWF. That is, here the full form of IWF is Indian Weightlifting Federation. And here Sahadev Yadav became the new president of IWF, and he was elected as unanimously by the IWF. And previously, Sahadev Yadav is a former Secretary General of IWF, and now he is the president of IWF. Whereas the Secretary General of IWF is S.H. Anande Gowda, and this IWF is headquartered at New Delhi. Next one, Amit Rastogi appointed as the new chairman of and managing director of NRDC. Yeah, the full form of NRDC is National Research Development Corporation, where for this Rastogi is the new chairman and MD of NRDC. Previously, he was a director of electrical engineering at Integrated Headquarters of Ministry of Defense. Next one, the fourth General Assembly of ISA has been organized virtually between October 18th and 21, 2021. Here, this is the fourth General Assembly of ISA. That is International Solar Alliance has been organized virtually from October 18th to October 21st. And the president of ISA Assembly is RK Singh, who is also the Union Minister for New and Renewable Energy. Here, the Director General of ISA is Ajay Mathur, and it is headquartered at Gurugram, Haryana. Whereas if here we can see that OSOWOG, that is one sun, one world, and one grid. Here it is a nodal agency for it is a here the ISA is a nodal agency for implementing one sun, one world, and one grid, which seeks to transfer solar power generated in one region to feed the electricity demands of others. Here it is the initiative which aims to produce the electricity for everywhere in the world, as we have one sun and the one world and the one as a one grid. And it is and in this and in this General Assembly meeting, they are going to be discuss about the strategic plan of the ISA for the next 5 years, and the strategy for private sector engagements also. Next one. India ranks 40th in 2021 Mercer CFS Global Pension Index survey. The Mercer Consulting is a leading global management consulting firm. It has which has released its 30th edition of the Mercer Global Pension Index 2021, and in this, India has ranked in the 40th position. Previously, that is in the year 2020, India has ranked in the 34th position out of 39 pension systems. If we see the top positions, Iceland has topped this index, whereas the Netherlands and Norway has in the second and the third position. If we see the least lowest rank in this index, Thailand has the lowest overall index value in this index. Next one. A book, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Reason, Religion and Nation, which is authored by Professor Shafe Kidwai. And here the Shafiq Kidwai is a awarded professor who authored this book called Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Reason, Religion and Nation. And the main objective of this book is to analyze Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, who is the founder of Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College, which grew up in TA Aligarh Muslim University. And this book is published by Routledge India. And this book was released on the 204th birth anniversary of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next one. Gulzar Penn's book titled Actually I Met Them, a memoir. Here the here the Gulzar is a legendary Indian poet and a lyricist and a director. Has titled his memoir called Actually I Met Them, which is a memoir of himself. And, and this memoir is published by the Penguin Random House India. And in this book, the Guljar has shared many interesting unknown facts about the legends like Kishore Kumar, Bimal Roy, Ritvik Gatek, and so many more. Next one. India's Bhavani Devi wins Charleville national competition in France. The Bhavani Devi is a fencer who made his history at the Tokyo Olympics by becoming the first Indian to compete in the sports at the game, and now she has won the Charleville national competition in France in the individual women's event. Here, the Bhavani Devi is currently ranked in the 50th position in the world, and she is the top ranked fencer from India, whereas she is the first Indian fencer to ever qualify for the Olympics after qualifying for the 2020 Summer Olympics. Next one. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.